can look at me as I take the lead, and you just watch and follow. Yeah, we gon' shine forever. We gon' shine forever. That's right, I'm gon' shine forever. Let's just get together. Yeah, so I'm shining forever.
Good morning, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to everybody who's been supporting. Please continue to share and to like and to subscribe. Today we're starting our day. We're here at Molapo Motors, starting the first of what I'll call the Bona Botswana series. So please stay tuned. We're going to show you some places in and around Gaborone to show you some activities and fun things that you can get done outside of the usual day drinking. I'm with my self-made Sundays collective. And I'll introduce you to them a little bit later. And what? And subscribe. And subscribe. Taking us fishing today. We're going on these little thingies. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Sure. Check. Have a look.
Can you just say that's for a chocolate?
Yo! Look at the hey, no ma'am.
So one thing that you notice, you know, as the water levels go down, like you see right now, only a lot of sitting around like
what the hell is that?
I don't know.
It's a song.
No.
It's a leech.
You can expose those. Yeah, cages. It sticks to your skin.
Yeah, it's a leech.
And then it pierces. And then you can leave some parasites in your animal.
That's...
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
And when are we leaving the hela shop?
You see? This.
Yeah. So these parasites.
So we've partnered with Sky Vodka for awesome Sundays. Sundays with Sky.
Yeah. I mean, so cute.
Out on the water. Uyapo. Hey Lang. This is gonna be on my YouTube channel.
This is my boyfriend. I have a boyfriend.
But when you're at the office, you have another boyfriend.
Wait.
Hey,
he's not my boyfriend.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Guys, can I please get some love? Hey, Lauya. That's like a cat or something.
It didn't come out.
That's like a cat or we are having a little pit stop for a refill on the way back to Gaborone. And there's our photographer. I'll show you how cool this shot comes out when we're done. Malapa Motors really did us a solid. Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen. Come on. Got me looking so crazy right now. Rihanna told us to drink Jameson and we said no. It's Sundays with Sky.
And now?
And now.
This is us.
Look at us now. It has been an amazing Sunday with my faves. Can I get some love?
Oh, from us?
See you on the next one.